Anyway, we're going to do a little test fit, make sure everything rotates freely.
Nope.
These S&S gears drop.
No, we're just going to put together. I'm going to slam that sucker together like we know what we're doing.
S&S makes a really nice product. Notice no keyway on that one because it goes on the shaft.
They don't have any keys on any of their gears now? Special.
Keyway gear for the through hole.
That's the one that had the double keyway slot in it. Oh, now you broke it.
No, it's got a step
Won't
on
work.
this side
Won't
because the
work.
shaft goes through.
You got to shaft it. Yeah, there you go. You got a shaft. Oh, slam bang. All right, what do we got going on over here? Oh, you broke the bag.
Broke it.
It broke.
Very, very valuable baggie.
Around here it is.
A couple extra clips just in case.
With your snap ring pliers. Oh yeah, all that shit's missing. Did you bring your pliers over?
They're a little war.
Mine are missing. Oh, I still got them in here. Still laying back here in the corner. We can't get to them.
That's a beautiful thing. No bindings in the keyway.
No lubricant on anything. Does everything dry?
How about if we get a little bit of this?
Oh, now he's going to break out
amazing
some
stuff.
lubricant. No sealer, no nothing. He just goes for it. It'll never leak. Famous last words. Yeah, I'm walking. Someone's got to do a job around here. Can't find my old gasket for him. I'm sure everyone can find quickly. It's empty.
Ozempic? What'd you say?
This is thick stuff now. This is thick, chunky stuff. Look at that. That's some good shit. It's a high build.
Oh, that's nice.
I think these guys have been sitting for about 6 months now.
Very small. Easy to lose.
Got the keys? Which one are you using?
Master key.
What's the big key? You know why you got the big key on there? See, it fits. You didn't clean that off.
Master key for the high volume.
Here, hold that. Put your finger up. Someone didn't.
I thought you already had that surface done.
Somebody didn't do their maintenance shit.
Pre-maintenance was setting up the crankshaft less than 5 thousandths away from the
Okay,
cases.
we did that. Looks like glove. All right, put the gasket on. We're good to go. What? What'd you do? You want to stay on there? Here we go. Move. You have to pre-goop it a little bit to support the gasket.
In the areas.
Always put it right where it leaks. That's where you put the stuff at.
Make sure you fill up the oil ports too, so it doesn't actually.
Yeah, we don't want to have any
You
oil.
want to seal those ports off.
We don't have any oil flow going on there. That way it doesn't leak through the holes. Very important. There's that one. Here, hold on to that for a second. Just for the hell of it. Okay, lay it where it belongs. How about that? Can I make it easier for you?
Mm-hmm. I know. Doesn't go that way, right?
No, that's the bottom. That's the top. Can't do anything backwards for.
In a minute, amigo. There it is. Beautiful thing.
Quite fit though. Pretty stuck on the cover now. Alright, what are you doing? You gonna put any oil on that stuff or you gonna run it dry?
It's oil.
It's oil? Just go inside the pump, just shove the gear in it. It works better.
Is that how you do it?
That's how I do it. I don't like finger fucking my parts. Look how dirty your fingers are. Being attacked by an Indian behind me here. Thing was attacking me. Stupid Indian. Got enough oil on there? Is that the clean rag or the dirty rag?
This one's halfway both.
Halfway both? I got goop in my fingers.
How do I get this down inside there?
What are you talking about?
The keyway.
You have to put it in there. Where's your key at?
Keys are right there.
Put it in there. Where's your hole at? Where's your notch? Where's your keyway?
It's right there.
The key goes in the keyway, do you know that?
Yes, but I can't get my fat fingers in there.
Well, you got to fatten your fingers down. Shave them down a little bit. Chew them a little bit. Get them up.
I can't get it. I need a magnet or something.
Get a magnet? You mean you're going to give up on this project? You want me to take over now?
No.
I thought that was a high volume pump. You can't put high volume fingers in there?
Yeah. You got a little magnet?
No, I don't use magnets. Hate magnets. Terrible things to have anywhere near a motor vehicle. I got some shitty pliers.
Shitty pliers.
Yeah, they are shitty too. Probably worse than not having anything. Yeah, if you let gravity help you, it makes it a lot easier. That means you put the thing where you can work on it easily. I trust some pliers, they're going to pop out. Did you put the round side up or round side down?
Round side down.
You sure?
Let me go.
So that one has a groove in it. That's a groovy one.
Come on, baby.
Shove the key off.
Nope.
Shove the shaft out the other side.
Oh, I did do that, didn't I?
Key popped out on the other side.
If it popped out, it would be holding the gear out, right?
Could be. Is it rotating?
Oh, you motherfucker. Yep.
Looks like you didn't do a very good job. I'd redo that.
Gravity.
I'd redo that.
Fucking gravity got me.
Where's that key at?
There.
Oh, it's down there on the bottom. Is the other key still in? Is the one on the back side still in?
Yeah.
Well, at least you didn't lose that one. Yeah, let's try this again. Yeah, my broken thumb doesn't like this. You know what that means? It means you better hurry up.
It means don't break your thumb anymore.
Oh, that's a secondary issue.
Fucking Keenan.
You didn't tell me that before I did it, so now it's too bad. Now you're trying to knock my oil over. That's not in there yet. think he lost it. My heater shut off again. It must have caught back up a temperature after you left the door wide open for an hour. I can't see squat, your big fat fingers in the way, but I heard it. What's going on? You did it right the first time. Why can't you do it the fourth time? I was going to readjust it now. Pull it up so we can catch all the good stuff. Oh, he dropped the key again. Told you those pliers weren't the best.
Those pliers help you actually develop your skill.
Yeah, because they're so bad.
You have to make up on your skill level.
Yeah, you got to overcome the tools. So what's your excuse? It's the pliers. Not lack of skill.
I can't fucking see, to be 100% honest.
You got to put it in there first.
Fucking right
Are you done
over
playing with it now?
there. Yeah, I gotta get a pair of glasses.
What, are you playing with the rag?
And a light.
Why don't you wipe your hands off? Go clean your hands. Go put some goop on them and clean your hands. No, it's my rag.
No, the keyway's over there somewhere.
Go clean your hands off. You mean you're trying to lose the key? Okay. He was trying to lose the key there. The key is you got to keep your finger over here so it doesn't keep sliding everywhere. Are you clean yet?
Yes.
You sure? I might have blew it up a little bit. You be careful. Way out here. And they're way up on the inside, aren't they? So you couldn't see is what you're saying?
Mm-hmm. Got to set them just right in those needle nose.
The needles don't have much grab anymore, as you probably noticed.
I did.
It just rotates around, see it doesn't stay put. Yeah, see that's why I use those pliers.
Sabotage me. See, he's not even going to use the pliers that he gave me.
No.
That is messed up.
You got it working right the first time.
Yeah, I got them that first time. Made it look easy, too.
You think these pliers are much better? No, as you're guessing. They're only slightly better. They're not much better.
Is the light on this?
See, it doesn't hold very. See, there's not much holding power where it matters. See how it just rotates? The pliers are all worn out. But I don't like the good pliers either, so. Usually I use my
How about the little pliers?
Usually I use my fingers in here, but in this case I won't work them. Let's see, let me try this here again. So you just can't get your fingers in there. Not enough room, they're too deep. I'm gonna use my little pliers. You got lots of pliers. How about the new pliers?
Nice, yeah, there we go. See,
I don't like the new ones, though.
Narrow, good bite.
Yeah, I don't like these ones though. So they still don't work, so.
Yeah, you had it, and you got to. All right, my turn.
Not yet. A little on the fingers. I don't want to use dirty rag.
This rag ain't dirty. I brought it clean.
What you gotta do is you gotta get things squared up so it works good for you. Where's my tool at? I don't need that.
Like hell, you don't.
Nope, I don't need it. I'm gonna use my screwdriver in there to push it down in the groove. It doesn't matter what the plier is.
Amazing, it works a little bit easier with light, but of course that's not the reason.
I wasn't using a light. I was using a screwdriver to push the key into the groove because the groove.
Hold that back gear.
Because the pliers weren't strong enough to hold the damn thing. And you got to angle the key so it's not sticking up.
Mm-hmm.
You got to go until you touch it, rotate it. And hopefully it's not going up in the air when you do this. Probably did because it's not sliding on either. The key's stuck up about 45 degrees right now. See how it slid out?
Mm-hmm.
So, you gotta rotate around to where you get to it. Come on, the screwdriver to help hold it. Nope. Nope. Says you have oil on my stuff in there already, but you didn't do it. I get my nose picker out, scratch my nose or my ass. Works for both.
Knocked it out.
That's because I hit over here and wouldn't let me go in. It's not in it. You can't get the tool in there to hit it. No matter what angle you're on,
You're way off. The keyway.
look out.
Key slot's over here with that.
Yeah, move your hand. The problem is I can't get the key behind it where I need it to be.
There you go. That's closer to the slot.
It's in now. Nope. Where's the key at? Can't even see the key anywhere.
Here's the slot.
Yeah, but I can't see the key anywhere.